I need to take it off of the internet and put it on that. Eat some. Got me alone, I got in a frame.
No, I'm not sorry. I'm trying to find the thing. I'm trying to find it.
Oh, you're
It
fine.
said we were live, but when I went to the page, it was there.
Lucy, for your appetite.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Good evening, kings and queens. Good evening. Happy Wednesday.
What's going on, beautiful people?
Liz. June. Good night, Margaret. Maureen.
Hello, beautiful,
Bless up
beautiful
yourself.
people. How you doing? How you guys doing? How you guys doing?
Long time no see.
Long time no see.
Thank you so much,
Thank
Ned.
you.
Lorna.
Thank you.
Sure, Ned. Hello. No, show up here.
Right, but I still not comment on this.
Crazy.
Yeah, wagwan. Facebook, wagwan, Facebook.
Facebook can act up now.
Facebook, where you act up. Me, Facebook. Love my queens. We love you too, Sheridan.
I'm juggling 2 lives to rest.
Oh, yeah, juggle 2 lives.
Big up yourself.
You're
queen.
over DMG.
Yes.
You're over DMG. Yes.
Charlene.
Sarge. How you doing?
Happy
Shirley.
Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. Hello.
I miss you guys.
Long time no see.
Long time.
Yeah.
It feels like long
Feels
time.
like a long time. Yeah.
So we're just stopping to say hello. Happy Wednesday. We're doing amazing.
Yes, we're
Yes.
good. We're good.
We're just super busy. That's why we haven't been out. Yes.
Beatrice.
And if you guys have watched, we were in Jamaica.
Yes.
We went for actually 2 weddings. Yes. So, and they were both amazing. Yes. Amazing. We had a great time.
We had an amazing
time. You should have seen me down there at Jamaica. You should have seen me down there in a supermarket, a push yard and a shop. We didn't love it, but nobody knew. Nobody knew nobody knew what video me. I was so excited for shop. But here what me do now, me mess up with the shopping thing. You understand? When it come time for pay, the money stick together, Jamaica money stick together. But this the clerk was check the cashier.
She was honest.
She was so honest.
Yes.
And who tell me that they're not still amazing, honest people in this world?
Because
she could have kept, as she pointed out and tell me, say, 25,000 stuck together. Yeah, because I go back in my purse for take out the next 5,000 for gear. And she said, no, you give me more than enough.
And she gave it back.
And she gave it back to me. Yes. If she watch me,
big up yourself.
Big up yourself. A matter of fact, I want to give you 5,000. Yes. Me should have did think of it while I was there, you know, but they did rush me. Because them said me slow in a supermarket.
She took forever to count the money. Forever. We stood at the register for a long time. So
Diana, how you doing, Diana?
Linda,
Queen.
Diana.
Yes.
We stood there for a long time waiting for her to
Yeah, usually I do tip, you know? Yes, but they rush me so many it may click. Yeah?
We had been in the supermarket.
But
for
if
a
you're
long
watch way, yes, if you're watch way,
time.
reach out to me. Yes, me I got tip you more than that 5,000. We are triple 5,000 for you because I was just so blown away. You understand? Me have a little granddaughter and she like get fussy. So all of that. So all of that happen at once, you understand? So
she was
me
being
never
very,
did, yeah, me never did.
her granddaughter was being very impatient.
Give her a nice little tip, yeah.
Yeah, that was
But
very nice.
I'm just so impressed with that. Yes,
Yeah.
I love things like that. Like they're still, because you know people love behave like everybody dishonest these days.
You have some honest people.
You You have some really honest and nice people. Big up the lady at the Jerk Center. From from the airport to from Montego Bay, somewhere in between, from Montego Bay to Orchard. Yes, big up yourself. They recognize where the car out at the Jerk Center out there, and they were so super nice people. I had a blast.
We had a good
time. It was a bunch of us down there, so you know that, no? It was nice.
Marilyn, Michelle.
Hi, big up yourself. Michelle, big up yourself. Big up yourself. We miss the amazing, beautiful, oh my God, I don't have one. Winter Wonderland party. We missed it. We knew we weren't, Auntie was aware that we wouldn't be able to make it, you know, because we had these plans in place before she came up with the date for her party. But I watched bits and pieces. We had I've watched bits and pieces of it.
I'll tell you now with the salads, okay?
All right, thank you. We have dinner, so no beer with me.
Yes,
beer with me.
Tashi.
Me have an extra glow. I Jamaica sun, man. We just
she got what she's been longing for.
For me, guys, I mean, not care. No, nobody feel when we talk about Jamaica. I not care. But it's like a medicine to me when we got Jamaica. Yeah, and a vacation. And a vacation to me. I got my yard. You know what I mean? I got my yard. It's like medicine to my soul. Yes. It no matter where in the world me go.
Andrea, big up
nowhere
yourself.
like my home. Yes. You have the check the money good. Me give away 5,000 for 50, but I got it back from the shop. See?
4 tens.
Yes, it stick on, and I
hard,
didn't know.
And you know, because we're not used to it too.
Yeah, we're not used to it.
I gave it to my husband. I said, here, you deal with the money. Here,
because usually when we go to Jamaica, you know, we spend the...
Thank you so much.
I'll be right back with y'all soon.
Appreciate it.
We spend the American money same way.
Thank
you know. We spend the American money same way when we got there.
Must be in the water.
At the water? I was coming. At the water. At the water.
Man.
Oh, you're loving your bag, Tashi? Yes, she got her bag. She got her Michael Kors. Good. I'm glad you're loving it. Yes, queen.
You don't need to wear the glasses. That's because we're closer to the screen.
What?
They're saying you don't need to wear your glasses tonight.
Oh, I can read the phone the right
here.
If me have to look over there, so now then, yes.
It would be different.
Because see my glasses the right here.
She put them aside.
Yes. And they look like sunglasses, but they are actually prescription glasses. These are the new ones that I just got. They're tan. I got 2 of them. I wish, you know what I wish people want to tell me if it can happen? I wish I can give away my frames. Like, because every year I get like 2 pairs of new prescription glasses, and these are really expensive glasses. So I wish I could, like the older ones, like I have Versace, I have a Prada. I forgot to name them, but I have a lot of them. And enough time I wish we can just give to people, yeah? And they can just put in the frame, you know, the shade part, and rock the frame. Yes. Yeah, wanna tell me if that can happen? Yes, it can.
Maureen, Judith.
Yes, me have. Yeah, like me say, me have Prada, me have.
She said you can.
Yeah, wanna tell me, because if people want them, me will donate them to people, because me just have them there every year.
Angela.
Me get 2 new pairs of prescription glasses.
See, everybody say you can. They just need to get the lenses.
Yeah, them get the lens, and me just send them the frame, because this one is a Jimmy Choo. Yeah. Me have a next one. I'll see next one. Yeah, and they cost a lot of money. So me just have the frame. Me have the frame them. Just a stock up on me, because once me get the new one, then me forget about the old one. This one, I don't know. This is another one. Two of them I get. See, two new ones for the year.
Hey, Patricia McPherson, big up yourself.
Look on the one
Patricia.
here. And nice, though.
Yeah, look at that.
So when next year come now, I just park this. You understand? I just feel like it's a waste. Though.
See? Now you started a war because everybody in the comments wants it.
Them want it for him then? One night may I
You're
just
welcome,
come.
Andrea.
One night may I just come on and bring them, and then we do a little thing. I wanna get win me frame them. Come in, know. So you can me say me always ask that door. So I wonder if we can just give away frame them and people put in the lens in them, because that's instead of have them just sit down. Mel say yes you can. All right. Martha,
big
how
up
you doing,
yourself.
Martha?
Long time no see.
Yes. So back to Anti-Party, me see did some pieces
Yeah,
of it,
bits and pieces.
it's absolutely beautiful. The cake from Majesty is a masterpiece.
Yes, the Versace.
Beautiful. Everyone
Purses,
looked it
the perfume.
amazing. Everybody looked like they had a blast.
Everybody looked like they were having a grand old time.
I was in the plane rocking to some of the music. You want to see me? Yes, I'm just a rock. Yes. It was nice. It was so beautiful. I'm so happy for her. So happy for her. Well, my plate. Give me my personal plate, please. Thank you. Frame sometimes cost more than the lenses. Well, for me, frame them must cost more than the lenses. I don't know. Well, when I go in there, I just pick the glass what I like.
Pick the frame.
Yeah, the frame. It's all. Yeah, I just pick the frame and I have them tint them, so that way, it can keep off the glare when I drive at night, because it always the glare from the cars in front of me and the oncoming lights from the and the glare of the oncoming traffic.
The headlights.
It bothers my eyes. Yeah, so that's why I get them tinted for them look like, shades, but they're prescription. Yeah.
And she has the other one that's transitional.
No, I not have the
they're not.
no.
Oh, they're not.
No, I don't know what I did with the one that was transitional.
Oh.
I don't know where I would have to look for that one. I don't know what I did with that one.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I don't know what I did with the transition, the one that transitioned. So, but me like shades too. So my figure say I didn't know that I had the option to get them tinted without it being transition. You understand? But the doctor told me that I could. Yeah. So ever since I found that out, I've been doing all my prescription glasses tinted. Yeah. So it looks like a shade all the time. Yes.
Yeah.
Transition lenses. I had some transition ones, but I don't know. I don't know that.
Queen. I have to
wear the black
big
glasses over the test glass. Oh, due to your eyes.
Okay.
My own. It also. They don't put the lines in it. They told me before they had to, but they're so advanced now. Like back in the past, you had to put the line for the what they call it?
Yeah, the bifocal.
Bifocal, yes. But now they're so advanced that they don't need to put it anymore. If I look, I look straight when I'm driving, and then when I'm reading, I look down, and it has different medicine.
Yeah.
Bless up, Mel. Bless up. Social media newsroom. How you doing, Queen?
Social media newsroom. Big up yourself.
Big up yourself. We're out having dinner, and we figure we'd just come on and say hello.
See, everybody want one.
Trinker, big up yourself.
Good evening.
I didn't know that anybody would want it. Otherwise, I would have said it a long time ago on my live. Believe me, because I'm always asking Vanilla. I wonder if me could have give me frame them. Or donate my friend them because they're just there building up. I left them in a one vehicle, I left them somewhere else, and I'm like, and they cost money, they're expensive. Like, yeah, they're expensive. Good night, Leslie.
Rosie.
Yeah, I'm having a salad.
Bella, good evening.
Caesar salad.
I'm having a Caesar salad and a entree.
Yeah. No, we just came out to dinner.
Elizabeth.
Good night, Vanilla night. What's on the menu?
Right now a salad.
Right now is salad, but I ordered grilled chicken breast with Parmesan crusted. It's Parmesan crusted.
I got chicken tenders.
She love a damn chicken tender, you see? I don't know why she love. And she won't try, she not eat seafood. Thank you. She not eat nothing named seafood.
Nope.
It looks good. You want some?
You can have a bite.
I wish you could have a bite. We would share. We would share.
Definitely would.
And we were like, we're gonna come back on praise and worship on Sunday, but we couldn't hold it no more. I'm back home, Miss Cece. Yes, I am. I'm back home. Jamaica, nice. Jamaica is so nice. Yes. But want to try everything when I go to Jamaica and can't try everything. I end up with 2 big bags of apple, 2 big bags of apple. Couldn't eat half. You understand? Me just see it, me just want it, and when me get it, me can't hungry. You hear me go and buy roast breadfruit and sitting. Me get them, have a couple of slices, and me move on to something else. That's how me behave.
Yes, it's just us. The husbands aren't here.
Yeah, just us. Just Vanilla and I. We do that sometimes without our husband. Just come out to have dinner or lunch. Yeah, Vanilla and I, you know.
And they go and
We
do
don't
their
have
own
a
thing.
lot of friends. We don't. Yeah, Vanilla doesn't eat seafood.
Nope.
None at all.
None at all.
None at all. None at all. No seafood for
I
Vanilla.
don't even like the smell.
She don't even eat saltfish.
Nope. I don't like
Yeah,
the smell.
Jolette, you don't like eat seafood either. I'm not big on seafood, but I will have it. Yeah, I will have seafood.
Angela, I love you too.
Love you too, Angela. Missy Thompson, good night.
Misty, good evening, good evening.
Night. Yeah. Andreen, how are you? And how are you, Andreen? I hope you're doing well. We're just here, coming on to say hello to everyone, and hope everybody is doing good so far in 2025. Hoping everyone's staying positive. I know sometimes it's hard to stay positive with everything that's going on. But, you know, you just have to make that conscious decision.
Karen, good night, good night. Yeah, you have
Night,
to
Karen. Yeah.
be positive.
You know, and every day you feel like being positive. Don't. Because we're human. But don't let anything negative consume you, alright? Thank you, Miss Makita. Thank you. She's my sister.
Yep, my sister.
My sister from another mother. Yeah. And my fellow Jamaicans who are in the United States. And you may not have all your stuff together. Don't let fear paralyze you. Just take your time and work on what you need to work on. Alright?
Connecticut in the house.
Connecticut in the
Breadfruit. I love breadfruit. I love breadfruit.
Yeah, don't let fear paralyze you to the point of where you don't want to leave your house or do nothing. You know what I'm saying, with your life. Yeah, just trust God. You know, I know that some of us came to this country for a better life and we work our butts off, you know, to make a better life, whatever we consider that to be. Some didn't get the opportunity to come here straight. Like, you know, I was fortunate to, but I don't just look at life within my gates. I look at life. Thank you. Yeah, I got it.
Thank you so much.
John, anything else?
No,
thank you. Thank you so much. Yes. I don't just look at life within my household, within my family, within my gates, within my family's gates or my friends' gates. I look at life outside of all of that and put myself in other people's position. And I do understand. Yes. Some of us, because we come here and we're fortunate enough to have family that sponsors us. I was fortunate enough to have my mom, who took us from Jamaica. But what I realized, not everybody has that. Not everybody was in that position. Some people came here visiting, and they see a way out, and they overstayed. And I'm talking about good people. I'm not talking about people who came here and break the laws and do criminal activities. I'm talking about hard-working people. I know a lot of hard-working people, not only Jamaicans, but people from other countries, yeah, who are hard-working, came here and saw an opportunity, because believe me, sometimes we might complain and think Jamaica is this and Jamaica is that, but you have countries that people are actually fleeing from being killed. You know what I mean? Yes. Yes, I have friends who are from Bosnia, and when they sat and tell me things that they've gone through, we have never experienced anything like those in Jamaica. Yeah? So we have to think on a broader scale and not be so judgmental. And because everything's good with us, then we feel like this is our country. Yeah? And everybody that, you know, might not have their documents, they are criminals and they're this and they're that, and they need to go home because what? You know, we have our papers, so we don't care about other people who may be trying for their families. Everyone in the Bronx Great Supermarket sell frozen breadfruit, bami, and other. Oh, I don't want no frozen. I love the real thing right off the fire, Jamaica. You know what I mean? Yes. So, I'm just saying to the hard-working.
Everything looking
Good. No, we're good. Thank you. Thank you.
It gets super annoying. That's the thing. We're eating out of it. We get on my nerve. Sometimes them just come and just ask you 1,000,000 times. You don't even get a chance to chew. You get hungry like how you see we eating.
Oh,
Sorry.
sorry, Queen.
This is spicy chicken bite right here. Yeah, so I'm just praying that this will pass over the good, what's going on. You know, the good people won't suffer for the bad. You understand? It's a lot of food, people.
My goodness.
We don't know if we do nothing in a moderation. So on advice, we must all look out and think about others. The Lord will always bless you. Thank you so much, Miss Cece. I always have to think about others. If my life is just for me, I don't want it. Yeah. 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 You know, it's so easy to be selfish and easy to not care. But what is the point in that? That is so boring. Yeah, that is so boring. Yeah. So easy. So easy to be selfish and not care about others. And it's so weak in trying to bring down others. So weak.
It doesn't make you any, it doesn't get you
It's
anywhere.
so weak. Yeah, super weak. Trying to tear down others.
And making people feel inferior to you, it doesn't get you anywhere.
And you know, something I like it in front of people. Where am I doing? Make here, so not come, see comment them with God grace and mercy as to stop things can continue like that. Nothing lasts forever. Nothing lasts forever. Trust me. Yes. And that's why it's important also that you try to build something in your own country. Yeah. It's important if you can, because not everybody can. Not everybody can afford or make enough money to do that. Some people just live from paycheck to paycheck, day by from day to day. You know, you come because people don't understand. Sometimes you come here because you don't have your documents. You have to stick to certain jobs. Yeah, but if you can, it's always good to put away something back in your country, that if anything, and you should end up back there, at least you have something to go back. Yeah. Only God knows everything that. That's true. That's true. And He's God. Nobody else is. They might think they are. Not even close. Not even. But we're going to come on Sunday. We're going to come on Sunday with our praise and worship. We'll be back with our praise and worship. No, I lied to you. It's awkward for me to eat in front of the camera. I'm gonna eat like a pig either. It's just that me know some people are watching me eat. Yeah. I'm gonna eat like a pig, whether I'm on or off camera. And when I'm down at Jamaica, I eat like a pig.
I eat very slow.
Yeah, vanillas are very slow.
Very slow. I'm always one of the last ones to finish eating.
Yes, you eat very, very slow. Miss Cece, it was so good seeing you guys. Yes, you can't wait for praise and worship. Yes, we'll be back for praise and worship on Sunday.
Definitely will.
Yeah, definitely will. And then after Sunday, we will be on, you know, back to our regular schedule, right?
Regular schedule.
Yes, regular schedule. Whether it's with a video, because we have some new things that we wanna inject in our contents. So you'll be seeing videos as well with us. Yes, we're not gonna tell you what the videos are about, but you will see. Yes, thank you guys so much for coming to see about us.
Thank you guys so much for joining us tonight. We've missed you guys. And the money back to do stuff.
And they get ripped off. I understand that too, Andrea. Yes, it's very sticky, you know, it's very sticky. I understand both sides. It's very sticky, but if you have people that you can trust.
Well, thank you for letting me feel a little bit better, Leslie, that me eating slow is a good thing. Thank you. I appreciate that.
I don't eat fast, but she eats.
I eat really slow.
Slow.
Yes.
Yeah. Like
And if I start, and sometimes when I start eating,
come in the camera.
I'm trying. Sometimes when I start eating and stop and go do something else, and when I come back, I can't eat anymore. I don't know. I have that problem. Yeah. But,
Problem child, Vanilla. You're a problem child.
I'm a problem girl.
You're a problem girl. Yes. Good night, Donette. Dot. Thomas. I wanna get them name that from.
Veronica.
Donette, I know so your name, your no name Donette Dot. Veronica Foster, how you doing, Queen? Me know say you're not no Donette Dot. Are you putting that funny and don't? Don't. Thank you, Gillette. Thank you.
Thank you, Gillette. Darn it. You see?
See? Donette. Me know man says she just put on the dot. Buddy. Have a good night to Miss CC. Kim Allison. Yes. Thank you guys. We'll see you on Sunday, alright?
Yes, thank you so much for joining us.
Hold on. Keep your finger quiet.
I'm not. I'm trying to get out of your way.
May I get hot? Take off my jacket.
Elizabeth. Marcia.
Take off the jacket, yeah? You know that cold outside today? It's what, in the 60s?
It was today, yeah.
Yeah, I'm going to pull up me jumper. Yes. Bless upon yourself, you hear? Love you guys as always, and there's absolutely nothing you can do about it. Alright? Stay strong, stay positive, stay prayed up. Yes?
Keep pushing.
Let love rule, keep pushing. You know? I know things aren't always easy, but whatever it is that you're going through, you can do it. Alright? You can do it and you can make it through. Yes. Have a wonderful night.
Have a blessed night,
Good
kings
night.
and queens.
Good
Love
night.
you guys. Bye-bye.